Hi guys, it's your girl Iona and her mommy. So pretty soon we are releasing a new song. Yeah, on the 12th of this month.
I just feel like
I'm releasing a new song called Someha. So it's like a kind of premiering we are doing this morning. We'd like you guys to listen to the song and then be anticipating, okay? Because on Wednesday, on the 12th, we are releasing the song. Enjoy.
It's your girl Iona. It's tears. I did my baby, all for your love. I'm not that kind of girl.
Virtual concert.
Who easily falls in love. But you are that kind of boy that can make me go insane. Me wanna mini a jeba. Miss your day, bro, miss so. Only what I'm making. Miss I went to my coma. Me a promise. Only what I'm making. Miss I went to my coma. Best on me high. Best on my no. Best on me high. Like I'm a sheep. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Best on me high. Best on my no. Best on me high. Baby, what can I say? Baby, what can I do? This feeling is so true. Feelings, baby. I've been thinking of you. Gotcha, no more echo. Gotcha, other mommy. Miss Mulawa. Imagine I get you. Gotcha, no more echo. Gotcha, other mommy. Miss Mulawa. Imagine I get you. Best on me high. Best in my no. Best on me high. Like I'm a sheep. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Best on me high. Best in my no. Best on me high. Like I'm a sheep. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Me wanna mini a chick. Miss your day, I promise so. Only what I made you, I promise. Only what I made you. Miss I went to my coma. Catch her no more, catch her no more. Miss Mulawa, I'm begging I get you. Catch her no more, catch her no more. Miss Mulawa, I'm begging I get you. Best on me high, best in my no. Best on me high, like I'm a sheep. Oh, hey, oh, hey. Best on me high, best in my no. Best on me high, like I'm a sheep. Oh, hey, oh, hey. It's tears to me.
Miss Mulawa, Jimmy handkerchief. Catch her no more record. Catch her the mommy. Miss Mulawa, Jimmy handkerchief. Bazomia, every man, Bazomia, they come and she, oh, eh. Oh, hey, Bazomia, every man, Bazomia, become a she, oh, hey. Oh, hey. So, Charlie, on Wednesday, 12th of this month, we're releasing this beautiful song, Someha, by Iona Vianney. Mommy is going to put it here and add the links and everything so that you guys can go and enjoy it, okay?
Okay. There is something I need to clear. I know say a lot of people are saying, oh, don't talk, don't say this, keep quiet, and say, I respect all of you. But in some people, now you're the two, so no one may hear no na feature a couple. See, I know internet is stronger than apartheid. internet is stronger than apartheid. Say people near the two, so yes, it can one to sometimes is the benefit of some people. But I have kids. Me nyapala internet say obi yame bone. Na say ebia for some reason my imagine say me nka na afa nipa na afa echwe na opese odania de ne to me so no odigini odi pepa ni din a e was say me betwem, so please bear with me. You have to understand me mature pa. I am trying to calm down because enrano in sempia matete ene anape in sempia matete no I need to clear it from beginning 2004, I'm a Mzbel. In some bonia, they are tagging me. I never ever said anything. I bet you more. I bet seen there. Say, you come Mzbel. Obia, and what perception be for the name Mzbel? It is not like that. See, me colebium, and as I say, me single bium. I have 2 kids, and maybe I'm a son crowd about Kwaku. Ain't say, yeah, Edi asamboni tu bi maame so na obeka so anya hwi me nka hwi show maturity me nka hwi ya da chi bi me mai beti a ebe yo mode. You know, it's really sad how aseme sinami di menima tu mpanifo enim na my imagine say me moving on the way I'm solving me Nigel aseme. That is not how I wanted to solve it. And I don't want to be in tears this morning. That is not how I wanted to solve that problem. But I swallow my pride and everything my brand stands for. And I'm accepting, yeah, maybe sad. But then anytime I pay Nigel, obe who said me obi tameni, and also obi nyami obe se me no oba koko teni panechi no one whisper amano just to come and tarnish me. Then I have to come and clear because I have children. So please, I am trying to take my cool. I'm trying to calm down, and I will explain bit by bit how I went to Nigel's office in a pajamas or nightie or robe as a waka. No waka said me blackmailing for 500,000 Ghana cedis. The award year, 500,000 Ghana cedis. You would think it's enough.
It's your girl Iona. Baby, all for your love. I'm not that kind of girl who easily falls in love. But you are that kind of boy that can make me go insane. Me want a miniature. Miss you there, bro, miss you. Only what I'm making. Miss I went to my coma.
Like a car, come on. Yeah. Like emotional.
Only what I'm making. Miss I went to my coma. Best on me high. Best in my low. Best on me high. I got me shit. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Best on me high. Best in my low. Best on me high. I got me shit. Oh, hey.
Tell your friends to tell your friends.
Baby, what can I say now? Baby, what can I do? This feeling is so true. Feelings, baby. I've been thinking of you. Gotcha, no more. Gotcha, no more. Miss Monawa, I'm imagining I get you. Gotcha, no more. Gotcha, no more. Miss Monawa, I'm imagining I get you. Best on me high, best in my low, best on me high. I got me shit. Oh, hey, oh, hey, hey. Best on me high, best in my low, best on me high. I got me shit. Oh, hey, oh, hey. Me want a miniature. Miss you there, bro, miss so. Only what don't make you. Miss I went to my coma. Me want a miniature. Miss ya do ya promise when you want to make you. Miss I went in my coma. Catch ya no more, catch ya the man. Miss Manawa, imagine they get you. Catch ya no more, catch ya the man. Miss Manawa, imagine they get you. Best on me high, best in my nose, best on me high. I got me shit, oh, hey. Best on me high, best in my nose, best on me high. I got me shit, oh, hey. Miss Malawa, I'm not Jenny Hanky. Catch you on the miracle, catch you on the mommy. Miss Malawa,
okay. First of all, me, as I'm someone else concerning you now. Honestly, me, person, I don't want to be angered. Is it right English? Me, person,
you don't want to be angered. Correct English.
So, me, share videos, maybe. Me, share po. The metete ena media yas resem. By no, me call radio so. Ena omubo audio ni betray. Na some part of the audio no Tracey so for now me blackmailing edgy 500,000 and soon so for now me call in the office in my night I'm a blackmailing and soon this is not the first time I'm at this assembly. It is going around and kitty say me blackmailing Nigel Gaisie for money. I don't have to do that. Sophie approaching me and offered me money to come to his church and fake prophecy. To agree to a fake prophecy, man yet. And no point yes say me koye bibi boni biao. Menjin to Obama be prophecy na menjin to no to America no cry turn it down. And my children me better in it. Seme blackmail Sophie bia. And bia NPP suffer because me end this in me call blackmail you be I was sympathizing with party I mean I won't do that. So Nigel, I am sending this message to you. Say anytime ubeti say obia fame ho time. Now say ube whisper into the person's ear. Say meka say me blackmail you me say I will come out and say and give details of everything that happened. I will come out and give details of everything that happened. Na me feel say ya friend ni akasa upebu hu na wa hwe wa sorry so na me suma bu me hu na ma hwe medwuma so but every time no na ma ti say wakoka bibi editor na hwe me abeka bibi editor na hwe me because o feel say we ye sofo me a musician me sanso so enkita di mpa in a way enti no ubeta nkrofo echi akasa asem a honestly I will forget everything we agreed on and I will go on with my legal action or I will come out and share my story. Because a lot of people are disappointed in me saying, oh, Anna, you are a role model and you should have handled it this way and you didn't handle it this way. But you're born in fairy, I'm a woman for Binti. And yet it's not about money. I did not blackmail you, Nigel. And I didn't come to your office in your church premises with my 90 to seduce you. I'm not that type of woman. No. And plus, I don't like to date young men. Nigel, me nyinche ubebre. Enti na uframe is senior no. Mamba office mbabe seduce you. Mada. Se wuji Christo na wusumu na ujina wo preaching and then Nigel, stop telling people that I blackmailed you for money. I came to your office in my 90 to seduce you. Na se we nyame nipa ujina ho pintin ya. So bad in the 90 eba wo sorry no obe seduce you. Wo be pamo no. O money blackmail you. Wo ba be ka wanu masem so be ye say o pesika bi si afreme ho. unkote nkrofo omo time echi and try say ube clean ube damage control by damaging me. Nigel, for the last time me tibium say we see me bawo office ebe so disiu and na me blackmail you for 500,000 Ghana cedis. I will come out and share my story. I swear to God. I remember that fateful day. I'm mad. Wo frame me say memra. Sometime na me bu pa. Odo na me nye Christo ni na me bu Nigel. Because na me feel say you are my friend and then you are my party colleague or whatever it is. Who frame ya hamachi 12. Say memra. Me feel say bia waso me hu dae ana wanya iche bi wo mu. Although I mean believing in religion, I believe in spirituality. I believe that people have special gifts. I believe in that. Because me back to was special gifts. Otimi hu niama. Otimi ni niama bi no mo kasa. Sometimes it's weird to me. So I believe people have special gifts. Into frame and na jono say memra na madano. Na me feel say bia with special gifts I will cook see say wo wono. What will be bia o pese wo catch me as a friend, as a senior, as a party colleague. Enti na me sorry gidi na me ba ye no. Me ba no enya me kwa na me ba me ni nipa tu na di me titi me wa dance for Nigel. Me sorry ni me night no. I grabbed a robe. Red robe and na me share na me chichire mo. Na me friend Anthony any anas say mon konkwaja me na so for ya friend me say me mra. Ena yet na aka mo. Ye tu kwan ton edi ba wo bia wa sorry mo ye ba kura ye ko yira wo kwa su ko pie wo se nsanwa mo ba bi ko ye yuta na as na ye ba be hu wa sorry ye ba ye me friend wo phone so Nigel me friend wo ena me ka chi on say gidi na me di sorry ba ye nti man dress me share robe enti ke be ya bra bontin na say me ka mo na ye betina ana say bibi ya na ye Nkansah. Na you born na me dem on say because I believe in the church you are running, not because I'm religious. But you born any who special gift I also wo and I'm respecting to na me buy. I called you on the phone. If I am lying, curse me like the way I also want curse if you are schwarzenegger. Curse me. Me friend wo phone so say my bedroom bra bontin na me be kasa. Wo say me mra. Me share window no na enkrofo amrante ne mayua a omo bompa ye omo aso omo nsem aye circle a omo bompa ye wa sorry dan anim. Me ferry say I mean I used to be a Christian so meaning say improper to go into a church in a robe. And I insisted say obepi o say o me feel free o me mra ye on my blah blah blah. And I was suma say go we know say go guy no. O suma na say omra me family bra. And I'm see you. Na me so robe me say na me see me try as fa ni pay me form ho e ba wo office me ra ho no na I was expecting to see something supernatural, spiritual, like na me expecting atmosphere bia e be ka bibi because me ba no adwen nyina ni se wo be ka bibi a men TV that when I entered the office you were in a white t-shirt and a boxer shorts and I would do what office and I was feeling free na wo church me and na niama. Nothing seems serious. Right away, no, many me busa kakra. But me no, I don't know your style. I would hear I would see say we here. So I was patient, trying to listen to what you have to tell me. Why you called me an Naju after 12? Me try ya one Nkansah pepe bia. And come on now, only me. Who go far away as some ba no waka. Who far celebrity we as some no waka. In some pasa. You didn't even present yourself as a man of God. One Nkansah to say only pepe or one nimdi and anyansebi. Who could be able to say kwala or meniso. Sometimes you pass social media be Jimmy and Emelia because we are celebrities. Sometimes you need to do that to catch attention, to put a message out. But no say me or baby I mean boom who anase baby. But unfortunately, the way I now tagging me Mzbel with sex and blah blah blah. Obi approaching me be only me on studies on taking time to know me. They first of all start talking to me about sex. And then sometimes I'll play along, I'll smile, and then I'll try and change the topic. I am a very humble person. I don't like to hurt people's feelings. I don't like to disrespect people. I was patient with you in your office now. One car sembia, one can hintam sembia, one car diasuma sembia, one can be beyond Jeremy. The reason why I'm a story and I Dubai, and I'm a buffoo, and I wanted to leave. You see, the I am a buffukra and I'm person me leave. And I feel yen selfie. Obi a Michelle robe. I wish t-shirts. Yen self, and I'm hey. Is that how careless you are? And I change now, woo phone. And I would try to pictures now. And I would try to make pictures. We need me to try to pictures. Maybe how they would take to me so picture. Jimmy son and I will yell honor. Childish. And I'm able to and I'm saying me, oh, I'm not wasting my time. So I ask you to pay for my fuel. And I would me babon thing. You bet you car no see over. And I mean, no boy, no, say God, we know, say Godfred or whatever his name, God knows. You need to know bon come on no crampon and like on no crampon make me a goodness name because Okanya and Sam. I told him I was asleep. Why would he make me come all the way and bring all these people? I didn't go alone. Who coincide who buy 200 cities now they buy 200 cities in one family. What the man Anthony guy not driving me by no and now the 200 cities in the share boy and say on fa. Later, no, Uber sending me fools, Kasana or catch me. I was very, very upset and disrespected. And I'm it's not came when I'm Anthony family coffee. And a coffee. If you want me to continue the story, afterwards, near see ya Nigel. Sarkodie Obia or Pemi, a did matem, a good menimase, as Sam ye chi. Naki Nkansah. I did not come to your office to seduce you. I did not blackmail you for 500,000 Ghana cedis. So Nigel, style and now person will use me to attack afia schwarzenegger. If you are going to use that same style behind Tracey to tarnish me, to do damage control, then I will come out and share my story with the whole of Ghana. Me riena some obesmam yabe kumia yen kumi. At least I have said my truth. Obuo any need dear I made the woman Akuapem. I swallowed my pride. I didn't even act like a role model. And I'm a calm and tone. And consider when I did bia Kawanotum and Yeshi and Fiamo Kawanotum from 2004. Makama no to Musa Namudi Dimpone Asrami. Why? Why? Like why? I blackmailed you for 500,000 Nigel, so you forgot what you did. And you think you can hide behind people. Mini ako benyi na. Min